Welcome to conversions of multiple parts. We're also going to look at conversions between the metric and imperial system. As we start, we need to grab a conversion chart. This chart shows some of the conversion factors relating metric and imperial, but not all of them. For instance, it doesn't show the relationship between inches and millimeters. This video is a trick. It's about converting regardless of the measurement system. Let's look at an example. Convert 37 inches into centimeters. So we have to convert inches into centimeters, and so we'll start with our setup. So we have 37 inches, some conversion factor equals a certain number of centimeters. That conversion factor comes from the chart. And so our conversion factor in this case is this one here, because it has inches and centimeters. That's what we're concerned with. Now, we'll set up our conversion factor inside the bracket. Every centimeter has 0.3937 inches. Numbers in the top you multiply, numbers in the bottom you divide. So 37 times 1 divided by 0.3937, which is equal to 93.98 centimeters. I can hear the questions now. Why did I use this conversion factor rather than this one, which also has centimeters and inches in it? That's what I want. Fun fact, it doesn't matter which conversion factor you use, just so long as your setup is the same. So 37 inches, some conversion factor equals a certain number of centimeters. So it's 2.54 centimeters per inch, which is 93.98 centimeters. The big idea here is that our setup remains the same, but our units have to cancel out. So inches and inches, those cancel out. Inches and inches, they cancel out. What we're left with is what we want. We want centimeters. Now we'll look at an example that might seem more complicated. Convert 300 cubic feet to cubic meters. As noted before, regardless of the conversion, the setup remains the same. So 300 conversion factor, or factors, as the case may be, to cubic meters. If we look over on our conversion chart, as it happens, we are lucky we have a direct correlation between cubic feet and cubic meters. That means that we do not need the second conversion factor. They're both the same, it's just this one is in feet cubed. They're both the same, it's just that this one is in cubic feet and this one is in feet cubed. They're both exactly the same dimension. So now I plug it in. So it's 35.314 cubic feet. And remember, I put that in the bottom because those are the units I want to cancel out. I want the cubic feet to go away. And every time I have that, I have 1 meter cubed. And that gives me 8.495 cubic meters. Remember, numbers on the bottom are divides. Numbers on the top are multiplies. So it's 300 times 1 divided by 35.314. That works pretty smooth if you have a direct conversion factor like we did here. Usually though, you won't have such outstanding luck. So NSOL. So NSOL, you're going to have to use multiple conversion factors. For example, convert 38,702 cubic feet per second to cubic meters per minute. Remember, there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. This question looks more complicated, but really it's not. The setup is still exactly the same. 38,702 cubic feet per second times the conversion factors equals cubic meters per minute. We'll bring our conversion chart to see if there's a direct correlation, and much to our disappointment, there's not, but there is a relationship between cubic feet and cubic meters. So that's our first conversion factor. Every time we have a cubic meter, we have 35.314 cubic feet. The other conversion that we have is there's 60 seconds in 1 minute. And we have to be careful. This actually says cubic feet per second. So we're going to change that a little bit. And I've written it down in a different color just to remind us that we have changed it just a little bit. We'll notice that our seconds are on the bottom. So we have to have seconds in the top. So every 60 seconds has 1 minute. And remember, numbers on the top are multiplied, numbers on the bottom are divided. So it's 38,702 times 1 times 60 divided by 35.314, which is equal to 65,756 cubic meters per minute. And just to point out again, our units cancel out. So the CFs cancel out and the seconds cancel out. And what I'm left with are the cubic minutes. And that's what I put over here. Nothing just magically disappears. I hope that helps. And please leave a like so I can brag that I'm a YouTube creator.